So I just tried to record an intro to this video, and I ended up spilling coffee on myself, so I had to get changed before I made the video again. It's a great day, honestly. It's been pretty damn nice, and then I just spilled coffee on myself. Should I even do an intro for this video? I'm not gonna do an intro. Okay, fuck it. We're just gonna get into it. Basically, what you guys are gonna be watching in like 10 seconds is a couple clips that I got on Rocket League and a couple funny things on H1. Yeah, gaming. Love it. Enjoy it. Drop a like. Subscribe if you guys are new. I love you all. Tell me if you want more of these or if you don't want them. Yeah, that's about it. Enjoy the video. Holy shit, he fucking launched that motherfucker.
Dude, please. Oh my god, dude, what the fucking teamwork right there? That was amazing.
That was fucking nasty.
Dude, I launched it into the middle, he pops it up, and then it was gonna be either me or you scoring. I almost pushed you.
What if you pushed me and then scored it? Oh my god, you went flying into the wall! Holy shit.
Yeah, I got long.
He's right back. I just blocked you. I just want to put that out there. Okay, towards their side. I'm chilling goal.
Oh no.
Oh!
Oh my god, thank the Lord, dude.
Get the fuck out of here. Jesus. Boom! Wow. And that's why you follow up with a shot, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus.
Sorry.
Holy shiznberry.
These kids, it's just it's so funny playing against these kids. It's just so funny, I can't. Who's messaging? I ask.
Probably Danny.
Fucking annoying.
Taking a guess. But as your things keep beeping, it's quite annoying.
I just did a double touch to win the game.
Oh, gonna need to buy.
Oh, baby. Dude, I just did the nicest goal and he fucking saved it. What a fucking cockhead. That was so nice. Put it up! There we go. Made it up for it. Let's go.
Falling down the mountain. Look at him, dude. Why is he staying in the car? Dude, dude, come on this hill. Come on this hill. We're gonna fight him at least.
Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Yeah, might as well go in the trees. Go in. Oh my god, dude, he's flying. He's still going. No way. Is he still going?
Yep, he's still going. He's still going.
I lost him, dude.
You got it, you got it. God damn it, I was going in. I want you to guess. Go into the crate right now, the good crate, and guess what I get. Guess what I'm gonna get from it. The invitational.
Oh, alright, hold on.
Alright, go into the crate and just let me know.
Let me open up the crate. Let me see what the crate's got.
Now guess it. Anything I'm gonna get. Just guess it.
I will guess the exact item you will get. Alright, what I'm gonna be calling or what you're gonna get, I believe you will be getting the KYR Speedy jersey. And my second runner-up would be the Iron Wildcat military backpack.
I think I'm gonna get the scissors face bandana.
Alright,
Ready?
go for it.
Let's go for it. Go to crates. Open one. I got the fucking NMP body armor.
Oh. Probably the shittiest green item there is.
the
Other than
jersey.
the mini jersey.
Alright, and the second one, let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Corey! Corey!
The inbox is AR-15.
Yes!
No way.
No way! I'm recording too!
Send a screenshot.
Dude, no way!
Dude, no way. Wait, no way you just got that.
Dude! Oh my god!
No way.
No way!
You literally just got the best yellow in that crate. Dude, no, I don't believe you.
Oh my god.
Oh my, what the fuck, dude?
Okay, I'm gonna run the NMP body armor.
No way.
It looks better.
No way you just got that.
I did.
What the fuck? Hello? Dude, your crate lock is dumb. You've done this before. You got a yellow on the,
Yeah, I got a shotgun. But I was at a scrapyard.
Yeah, but that's 2.
I try and tell myself that time's not cold, cold, cold. But I know deep down that fortune favors the bold.